So we haven't been vlogging for a few days, but we are today. We are at JJ's breakfast, getting some breakfast. Show me one of our favourite places.
Nice view. And that is what we just ordered, a JJ's breakfast. 150 baht.
Damn good stuff. Damn good.
Fresh fruit salad.
Yummy.
Luna's got some what have you got, Luna? You got some carrot? Yeah. It's raining.
Today we want to go to the beach. I don't think that's happening.
It'll probably stop.
Hopefully.
Yeah.
It's nice.
Yeah.
We're soaking wet.
Bialski bringing you them bangers. Bialski.